on this special occasion, respected President, Honorable Chief Guest, Auditor, and my dear friend. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of India. India is a land of festival. Independence Day is our national festival we celebrate. This festival every year on 15 August because we got freedom on 15 August 1947. Our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. They went to Delhi, Maryland. At last they became successful in getting freedom from hand of the British. We must feel proud to be an Indian. Thank you.